Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to delete file in File Explorer. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a file in File Explorer. So, in deleting a file in File Explorer, there's a lot of ways to delete your files in File Explorer. So, today I'm going to teach you how to delete a file in File Explorer. So, here we go. So, the first way to delete your file in File Explorer is, of course, by clicking delete on your keyboard. So, I'm going to show you. But first, we're going to copy Mr. B. Mr. B, let's go. Make a letter more. There we go. Copy. Let's let's remove the Mr. B right here. And once you click delete, it will just go to your cycle bin. Cycle bin. There you go. Open file location. As you can see. There we go. Let's click and there you go. Recycle bin. Mr. B right here. And I've deleted another Mr. B last time. So yeah. There's another Mr. B here. So to delete him, we click delete again. There we go. File will be permanently deleted, or you can just click on the empty recycle bin. All of the files there are going to be deleted. Another way to delete Mr. B by clicking on it, and on the top left you will see the delete button. Click on that, and as the same process, it will go to the recycle bin. Cycle bin, and you have to empty bin or just right click and delete. Another way to delete them very fast is click here down below, then click permanently delete. And then yes, now we have deleted Mr. B permanently. Another way to delete Mr. B is by clicking your mouse, right click, then go down to delete, then click delete. Then go back to recycle bin and either right click or just recycle bin. Move all, empty the trash. There you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And the easiest way to permanently delete a file is by clicking shift, holding the shift, then click delete on your keyboard. And then this will pop up. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? And then click yes. There you go, guys. And we're back to the original Mr. B only. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.